Hi and welcome back to Greenstone and Ivy. Hope everyone's well, hope everyone's good. Thank you all for the new subscribers, I really appreciate that. As you can hear, I'm a little bit nasally. My wife's had a bug for like 10 days. Thought I was going to get away with it, but no, it's got me, but never mind, we'll carry on. So in the last video I said now we'll tidy everything up and service all the saws, give everything a good service after Christmas into the new year, all the paperwork gets sorted, catch up on any jobs. The one thing that hasn't had a sort out, as you can see, is a stone yard. There's stuff everywhere, there's stone everywhere, it all needs stacking, just moving around, neatening up. This is where we put all the spoil. It just needs a good tidy up, but we haven't got time to do that today. So today we are going to be making a large octagonal bird bath. So I'm going to be using this stone here. This is Witton Fell. So I've had this cut up by Pete Harris at Harris Quarries, and so it's going to be 600 tall. It's actually going to be a memorial bird bath. So I'm going to take this round on the forklift, start working on the leg, get that ready, and then we'll move on to the top with some of this 75mm, and then we'll piece it all together, and then we'll polish it all up, hollow it all out, and then we'll put some wording around the outside. So I'm going to start the forklift up now. We'll take it all round, and then I'll set the camera up and you can watch me work. Right, let's go. So that's a leg, or what, it's like 98% finished. I'll give it all one final polish together right at the end as one finished unit. Like I said before, I've got the Witton Fell, the 75mm. I brought that round. I'm going to move it onto the tiger saw now, cut it all out, and then we'll get the Katuri hammer out and we'll hollow the centre out, put some detail on it, and then we'll move into the shop and start getting the wording carved in. all finished up. I've got the carving in the side done. I would normally take this outside now and scrub it all down, but I've kept it inside. Well, I've actually brought the leg in and just moved the top off my workbench onto it, just so I can show you, because it's dark out there. Just gone 5:30, so we won't be able to get any good footage of it. So tomorrow I'll take it back out, scrub it all down, put it to one side, and then leave it to dry, ship it out to the customer. Thank you for watching again. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'd like to say I'm going home now, but I'm not. I've got one of the perks of having my own van. My sister's bought a new couch, so I've got to move the old one out, put the new one in, and then take the old one to the tip for her. So yeah, it's always lovely when you've got your own van. Right, I'll see you next time.